friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our third question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the capsule is 14 mm. So from this point to this point, what is its length? So this is the length from this point to this point. Length will be equal to what is that? 14 mm. Then what is its thickness? The thickness is, what is its thickness? Actually, this is the thickness. Let's going to take, this is thickness. So this one will be equal to thickness. Let's going to take 5 mm. Find its surface area. So the surface area we have to find. So we need to analyze this given capsule. So surface area means it need to divide it into two shapes. What is that? One will be hemisphere, they only telling, and another will be cylinder. So based on that, we can take it as, what is that? Total surface area. So total surface area of the capsule, what is that here is? So let's going to take, this one is two parts. So one will be equal to cylinder. Let's going to take this capsule in a larger manner. So this is the cylinder. So from this, so this is the cylinder, one part, and second one will be, so this is second part. Let's going to take. So what is that here? Total surface area of the cylinder, the capsule will be curved surface area of cylinder plus what you can say curved surface area, or what you can say surface area, curved surface area of what you can say hemispheres, curved surface area of hemisphere, what you can say here is into 2. For this why? Because here one hemisphere is there, here one hemisphere, and here another hemisphere. So let's going to take these two and we are multiplied, both will have the same dimension. So based on this, what is this 5? So from this, what is this? This is total 5. So from this, what you can say, this length. So this length will be equal to 5 by 2. So here this also will be 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Why? Because this total will be equal to what? This is 5 mm. So this one will be 5 by 2, that is radius of the hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere is nothing but 5 by 2. So radius of hemisphere, you can say HS, let's going to take radius of hemisphere is 5 by 2. We will get it as 2.5 mm. 2.5 mm. So for this, what you can say, this is the length. So let's going to take, this is also length. So this is also radius. So this is also radius and this is also radius. So based on this, what is the, so here we are going to find what is the height or what is the length of the cylinder. So this total length, as we know, this one will be equal to, total will be, this is the length of the capsule, that will be equal to 14 mm. Then what is the length of this? So from this, what you can see here is, so from this, what is the height of the cylinder? That one will be, h will be equal to, what is that? This is the h. Let's take L minus 2 into r, 2 into radius of the capsule. So here r plus r. So for that we are taking 2 into r. That will be 14 minus 2 into, what is the radius here? The radius is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Here also 2.5. So this is 2.5, 2.5. So what you can take it here is 14 minus 5. That one will be equal to 9 mm. So what is 9 mm? The height of the cylinder is, this one from here to here, it is 9 mm. So based on that, we need to find it. So let's going to find for this cylinder, what is the curved surface area of the cylinder. The curved surface area of the cylinder will be actually, it is in the shape of like this. So what is the circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. It is extended up to height, for that 2 pi r into h. So we should not include the circle total area. So only curved surface area. So let's going to find curved surface area of the cylinder, that will be equal to 2 pi r h. So h we know that. So already we are calculated h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to what? Radius of the cylinder. So radius of the cylinder as usual, that is 2.5 into h will be equal to 9. So let's going to multiply 2 into 2.5 will be 5, 5 9s are 45. So 45 into 22 by 7. So 45 into 22. What is that here? 990 by 7. 990 by 7 is nothing but, what is that? 141.42. What is that? Mm square. So mm square. Then curved surface area of the hemisphere we need to find. So curved surface area of hemispheres we need to find it. Curved surface area of hemisphere. What is that values? So one curved surface area we need to find. So hemisphere 1 and hemisphere 2. If you find it 1, then we can find the remaining one. So what is that here is, what is the formula? 2 pi r square. So actually curved surface area of the sphere will be equal to 4 pi r square. In that of, as usual, we know that 2 pi r square. So if you take that of 4 pi r square, then it will be 2. So let's going to take what is the 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 2.5 whole square. So 22 by 7, that is 3.14, you can take it. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 whole square. What is that? So we will get it as 6.25. So that one will be 6.25 into 2. What is that? 12.5 into 22 by 7, we can take it as 3.14. That is multiplied with 3.14 means we will get 39.25 mm square. So this is the value. Let's going to find out what is the total surface area of the capsule. So total surface area of the capsule is nothing but, so total surface area of the capsule is, let's going to write the total surface area of the capsule. What is that here? So capsule will be, it is the sum of the cylinders and cylinder plus 2 hemispheres, 1 and 2 hemispheres. Let's going to find curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. So curved surface area of the cylinder, what we got it? So curved surface area of the cylinder is 141.42. So 141.42, 2 into curved surface area of the, what is that? Hemispheres, 39.29. So 39.29, we can check it here. So what is that answer? 39.25. So 39.25. Not 29, it is 25. So let's go to write. So let's take it this one, 141.42 plus 2 into 39 point, what is that? 25. We will get it as 78.25. Then 78.25 plus 141.42. If you add it, so 219.92 mm square. So this is the value what we need to find it. So like this we have to find it. You can take it around 220 mm square. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to watch our videos.